Hello and welcome. If your teams work in automotive production, industrial automation, or electronics manufacturing, you already know the pressure: tighter schedules, higher reliability targets, and less tolerance for rework, downtime, or supply disruption. That is exactly where Cotelec MBS Maroc comes in, a partner built to deliver performance, innovation, and availability. With a strong presence in the field across Morocco and Tunisia, and a wider support network through the Cotelec organization. Today, in a few minutes, you will discover what makes Cotelec MBS Maroc different, how our three business universes answer real production challenges, and why customers choose us for quality, innovation, and fast response. Who we are and what we deliver. Cotelec MBS Maroc supports industrial teams with tailored, practical solutions designed around real constraints: production speed, technical complexity, compliance requirements, and long-term durability. Our approach is simple: listen closely, propose the right solution, and make sure it is available when you need it. Whether you are building prototypes, ramping up to high volume, or improving an existing line, we help you secure consistent results and reduce risk across your projects. Three universes. At Cotelec MBS Maroc, everything is organized around three clear universes, so you can quickly find the products and services that match your context. Universe 1, Automotive. In the automotive sector, reliability is non-negotiable. That is why we provide solutions aligned with demanding industry expectations, including custom cable manufacturing in Tangier, crimping tools, LED detectors, and cable testers designed for automotive requirements. From cable assembly consistency to test and validation, the goal is always the same: reduce defects, improve repeatability, and keep the line moving without surprises. Universe 2, Industrial. In industrial environments, performance and robustness have to work together. Here again, we combine custom cable manufacturing in Tangier with crimping equipment, accessories for special machines, and high-quality food-grade lubricants and greases when your application requires it. This universe is designed for teams who need dependable components, smooth maintenance routines, and solutions that fit real workshop conditions, not just catalog specifications. Universe 3. Electronics. Electronics production brings its own challenges: miniaturization, precision, traceability, and increasing speed requirements. Cotelec MBS Maroc provides integrated solutions for testing, marking, and programming electronic boards and components, supported by a broad product range focused on electronics workflows. The objective is to help you improve throughput, reduce troubleshooting time, and secure reliable results from development to production. Three key advantages. Now, let's focus on the three reasons customers choose Cotelec MBS Maroc as a long-term partner. Advantage 1, quality. At Cotelec MBS Maroc, quality is not a claim, it is a standard. The products are sourced from certified international suppliers known for reliability and strong performance. Every component is carefully selected to ensure durability and compliance with strict requirements. That means fewer surprises on the line, fewer premature failures, and stronger confidence that every connection and every assembly will perform as expected. If you want a simple summary, Cotelec MBS Maroc helps you protect your projects by making quality consistent, repeatable, and measurable. Advantage 2. Innovation. Innovation is not just about new technology, it is about solving tomorrow's production problems before they become today's bottlenecks. Cotelec MBS Maroc works with suppliers at the forefront of technology to anticipate market needs and propose solutions that address the challenges ahead: miniaturization, reliability, and performance. For your teams, that translates into smarter choices for tools, processes, and integrated solutions that can keep pace with evolving products and higher expectations. In other words, Cotelec MBS Maroc supports electronics and industrial production with solutions designed for the future while staying grounded in real operational constraints. Advantage 3. Availability. Even the best solution is useless if it arrives too late. With Cotelec MBS Maroc, Responsiveness is a promise that is actually delivered. Thanks to strong stock capacity and controlled logistics, we can fulfill 95% of orders in under 24 hours. That is a major operational advantage. It helps maintain continuity of supply, reduce downtime risk, and keep projects on schedule, even when requirements are specific or urgent. If your teams are tired of waiting weeks for critical items, availability becomes more than a convenience. It becomes a competitive edge. Present in the field. Beyond products and logistics, there is something that truly matters in production environments, being there when it counts. Cotelec MBS Maroc builds its approach around listening and proximity. That is why our technicians and engineers are present locally in Morocco and Tunisia, ready to assist your teams, support troubleshooting, help improve processes, and identify the most relevant solution when production challenges evolve. And through the broader Cotelec presence, you can also connect with technicians across France, making it easier to coordinate support and maintain continuity between sites, partners, and projects. To sum it up, Cotelec MBS Maroc supports automotive, industrial, and electronics teams with practical, tailored solutions. We bring 3 decisive advantages to your daily operations: quality you can trust, innovation that anticipates tomorrow, and availability that protects your schedules. And we reinforce all of that with people on the ground, close to your teams, to help you solve, improve, and move forward. If you want to identify the right solution for your next project, optimize an existing process, or secure supply for critical components, reach out to Cotelec MBS Maroc. Book an appointment with our technicians, discuss your constraints, and let's choose the approach that delivers performance, reliability, and real results. Cotelec MBS Maroc, your trusted partner for high-performing, innovative, and available solutions.